we are making one of the most popular dishes from Batangas. And ito siya is made of tulingan. And I think, alam niyo na yung gagawin ko, di ba? Sinaing na tulingan. It's very important that you prepare this fish when fresh, no? Ito siya, nandun ako sa Batangas, tabing dagat, and I saw one afternoon, grabe, tumatalon-talon sa shore tong tulingan, kaya it's very easy for them to catch, no? And ito siya, once you have a lot of this tulingan, yung gagawin mo dito, sinasabi nila, even when I was growing up in Cebu, sinasabi talaga nila, tatanggalin mo talaga tong kanyang buntot dahil nakakalason or nakakalasing. I'm not sure. Totoo ba yun? May basis ba yun? Gagawin mo dito. Bubunutin mo yung buntot. Kakayanin ko ba? Twist. Yan. Ito gusto ko to prito, pero ito lang, very simply, you have to remove the tail. I don't really know why, pero yun ang nakasanayan, no? And what I will do now, so score natin yung ating tulingan, no? On each side. Ito is very nice because it takes some time to cook dahil gusto mo na malambot, pati yung tinik. Very simple homey preparation. And you see, may palayok ako dito. I will be cooking with my palayok. Ang tagal ko nang hindi nagamit ito. But for this dish, it will taste even better dahil sa aking palayok. Just scoring my mackerel tuna. So it's from the tuna family. Ito siya, this is one way of preserving the tulingan pag sobrang dami ang huli, no? I'm using my kitchen towel. Bakit? Papakita ko sa inyo. I will have to flatten this, no? Pitpitin ko. Tama ba yung term pitpitin? Flatten, ganyan, no? Isa-isa. So, I'm using a kitchen towel para hindi tumalsik sa akin yung dugo ng ating tulingan. Flatten it like that. So this around a bit over 1 kilo. And ito growing up, ito yung isa sa pinaka-paborito kong isda. I don't know why. Siguro it's very meaty, no? And hindi siya masyadong matinik. And ito siya, gagamit tayo dito ng rock salt. I will just arrange this here. Yan. Pwede naman isa-isa mo siyang asinan, ha? Pero ako, I will just like be very generous with the salt. Asin, no? Salt it properly on both sides. And eto dito sa Quezon City, even around our office, may umiikot, naglalako ng sinaing na tulingan. Put that aside. And meron tayong dahon ng saging. Dahon ng saging. Let's just heat it up, no? Yan. So, you want to heat up your banana leaves and it becomes waxy. At tingnan mo siya. So, ito siya. This makes your banana leaves more pliable, no? Or else, it's going to tear very quickly. So, these are traditional recipes that we often buy from people who sell, pero seldom do we prepare at home. Bakit? Masyadong maaksaya sa oras, no? It takes so much time to prepare this kasi lulutuin mo siya hanggang lumambot yung tinik. And when you say saing, di ba? We don't always use saing as a term, di ba, in cooking. Saing is usually pag kanin, pero saing generally means ninuluto mo siya, nilalaga mo siya hanggang maubos yung tubig until the liquid is evaporated, just like this. So ito siya yung ating dahon ng saging. I will tear off a bit of this, lalagay ko pang ilalim ng aking palayok. Yan. Our bed, no, will be lined with banana leaves. Yan siya. And ito siya, we will also cut this into strips. Kasi, babalutin natin ang ating tulingan. So, I need more. Ito. Heat more. So, usually, ito talaga yung ginagawa. You wrap it, ganyan. Ito siya is to prevent the head from falling off. So, we will wrap our banana leaves. But before we continue to wrap, ito siya yung ating very special ingredient. Dried kamyas. No? Pag fresh pa siya, ganyan. Pag natuyo, ganito. Pero pareho pala sa may asim. Sa amin tawag nito iba. Yan, kamyas. May iba pang name nito. Lalagyan ko muna sa ilalim. And ito pala siya, meron tayong baboy. And we will line underneath with pork fat. The more fat, the better. Pero konti lang, no? Hindi naman siya sobrang daming fat. Cut it into pieces. Pork fat. You don't need this, hindi naman siya always meron. Some people add it, some people don't. Ito siya. I will add a little bit more. Yan. Masarap to sa sinangag pang almusal, no? Almusal. O, sino ba yung mga taga Batangas? Ito medyo marunong talaga ako gumawa nito because we would make this at home kasi yung isa kong staff taga Batangas, hindi naman taga Tagaytay. Yan, kaya alam mo naman, mga gusto nating kainin, nagpapaluto tayo sa bahay, kaya natutunan ko na rin. So, if there are other ways of doing it. So, ito siya, very important to line it properly. Kaya importante talaga fresh yung inyong tulingan or else it's not going to be very nice. No? So, yan. So, press mo talaga siya. Then, in between naman, lalagyan mo naman siya ng ating kamyas. Not too much kasi aasim din to. Ito takes time to cook sometimes. 3, 4, 5 hours, depende. Pero pag gumagawa kasi doon, sobrang laking palayok. Press it down. Yan. That's the reason na pinipit-pit mo din siya ng konti para it really like fits into your palayok. And the banana leaves also gives it a very nice aroma. And last one. So very few ingredients. So ito, there's a bit medyo maasim at maalat to ng konti ha. Because the salt also like preserves the fish. You know? That's why it keeps for a long time. Hindi kailangan i-refrigerate. So some people like this na medyo matuyo-tuyo. Some people like na medyo masabaw. So press it down. And I'm just adding enough water to cover it up. So kulang pa ng water ng konti. And I will add more kamyas. Some people will add suka. Pero traditionally, wala siyang suka. It's really the asim from the kamyas. And there are also people who cook it like we do. Ang version din namin nito minsan is dinalagyan din namin ng gata. No? Pag medyo naluto na siya, nangalahati na yung kanyang sabaw, gagawin namin, we will add gata. And cover it up. May paganyan lang ako ng konti just to trap the steam. And we will turn on our heat. Ito, medyo malakas na upoy at the start. And later on, pag kumulo na, papahinaan natin siya. And it will cook for quite a long time, 3 hours, 4 hours. Ang objective natin na maluto siya at yung tinik, yung spine, pati yung spine ng ating isda, magiging malambot. You have nothing to worry dahil Island Gas, yung gamit natin, insakto sa timbang, and kahit medyo matagal yung luto, sure tayo na hindi tayo nag-aaksaya. Diba? Galing ni Island Gas, no? Yung Island Gas talaga, pang long cooking yan, parang ganito. Sisilipin lang natin yung ating sinaing. Ito, it just started to boil. Yan, no? So, ngayon, yung gagawin na natin dito is ito. That boil. So, ito, yung ating kamyas will slowly infuse its sourness into the broth, no? Ito siya, tatakpan na natin siya at papahinaan na natin yung ating apoy hanggang maluto siya. Ito, takes a lot of patience, time to wait, pero ang ending masarap siya and it keeps for a long time. So ito talaga siya, traditionally niluluto siya sa clay pot or palayok, but you can also use your kaserola or whatever you have. You can even use your pressure cooker. Yun lang, mag-iba din yung flavor and yung texture kasi the time it takes to cook, the gentle cooking allows it to develop more flavor. And also very important, aside from the dried kamyas, is the banana leaves. Bumabango na siya ng konti. Eto siya has been boiling for already 3 hours. Titingnan natin na low heat lang siya kaya hindi mabilis manuyot yung ating sauce. And look at that, no? Medyo paubos na yung ating katas. And look at that, no? Very rich na yung kanyang sabaw. And medyo lumalambot na siguro itong bones nito. Titikman ko. Ito, very straightforward, very classic. Wala siyang bawang, wala siyang sibuyas, wala siyang sili. Asin lang, at saka yung ating tulingan, and the dried kamyas. And of course, the baboy. Sarap. I will just leave it here and let it cook for another hour. Manuyot siya ng konti. Pero, ayaw ko siya na maubos yung sabaw kasi yun, masarap yun. So, ito, I will just leave that here. Turn it off. So, 3 hours na to siya. Turn it off. And, bukas, kakain tayo ng masarap na sinaing na tulingan. Sinaing na tulingan. If you're familiar with this, eto, napakasarap. Ang sarap ng dried kamyas. Ito siya, because it's been cooking for a long time, pati yung tinik niya is malambot. Look at that, oh. Nagka-crumble yung spine niya, oh. Pwede mong kainin. Masarap to siya. Patis, konting sili, kamatis. Perfect siya. Sarap. Wow. Basta papasarap. Special with taba ng baboy. Masarap din siya prituhin. Thank you. Napaprito ako. So sarap. Kumakain ba kayo nito? Ay. Sarap ng tostado. Sausawan with sili. So, diba? Talaga mga traditional recipes are so good. Kain tayo.